Keep your thumb on the string. Cock it back and throw it out. There you go. Now just push it up and then reel it in just one notch right there. Now just let it sit. You can sit in the chair. Hey, it's okay. Girl, you can throw it out there and let it set. Well, today we're here at this low pond north of White Spurl. We're fishing with this. We got this little white colored crankbait here. Using this here Berkley Big Game Power Series. Little spinning reel here. Oh, that's a good cast, really. A little bit longer pole than, you know, it's not one of our little 6-footers. We got this. So this pole's a little bit longer than that. Got it at Gulf Shores on the pier. Girlie's using a little open face bait caster. First time doing it. She's doing a good job casting out.
Watch out.
Oh, gotta watch out. She's just using a little plastic worm and a little bobber. So I was using a spinning reel. Got him a fish on the first cast within like 5 seconds. Had a big one that got all the way to the bank. Got that on video until it came off. I think Sal was a little upset. I think he threw a slide. I don't think I got that on video, but now he's trying again. Look at that cast. It's got good whip action. Should have saw your cast. Uh-oh. Let me help you out with that.
Yeah, kind of.
You got a little bit of mess, a little backlash.
Uh-huh.
Here, let me help you out.
I can wash it off.
Got us a crappie, got a little dirty up here on the bank.
Here, I can wash it. It's in there good. It ain't gonna get off. Oh gosh, this pole.
That's a nice crappie.
I'll take it.
Let me see you cast it out there, girlie. You're letting go just a little too late on that one. You're gonna wash it off?
Yeah.
What's up, chick?
Nothing. I'm going to go back to fishing. Okay, bye-bye. They're huge.
Hold it up again. That's a good size crappie. All right, go for it. This pole right here that girlie's been using, the rod and the reel, was my grandpa Cavness's fishing pole. I restrung it. I put new string on it, but the rod and reel were his. He passed away, and this girlie picked that pole up.
So you just press that.
Oh yeah, girl's gonna show us. You push that button, hold your thumb down, throw it out. That's what we call an open face, little bait caster. But he passed away in 2010. It's 2022. So it's, I mean, it's older than that, so good. Caught a lot of fish on it.
You just press it and then roll it in, and press it,
Yep.
and roll it in. That.
Let's see you do it. Get closer and you'll get it. I'm gonna turn sideways. You got it? Flip it out there. There you go. Point it down.
We caught a fish over here. What is it?
It's the biggest bass in the world.
No, it's not. It's the tiniest bass. It's a really tiny bass. Just jump. It's a really pretty bass.
Yeah. Let me get it's in there good.
Oh, it's really stuck in there.
Yeah, but These little pliers help out a lot.
Yeah, they do. Look at that fish.
Bleeding.
It is. Let's see.
Dang it. Poor guy. Young little dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw him back out.
Yeah.
And go. Right here we got Coach Emmett, Keston, and his, I don't know. Let's see. Looks like he didn't get a fish. Ooh, that was a good cast. Still didn't catch it. Doing it one more time. That was a better cast. That was pretty good. We caught something. I think it's like a medium-sized bass. Go check it out. That's what I just said. Yeah, bass. See. Yep, that looks like a bass. Woo. I'm zooming in.
You got it?
Yeah.
He jumped on it.
He jumped.
Well, I mean, he got it and he took off with it for a second. Even when they're small, they gotta
Stop
go walk.
moving it. Voila,
Are you doing a
voila.
video or picture?
Video. That's great.
Want to give a kiss?
Sure, I've done it. Gross.
Really, you're way ahead of me. I wonder why you're way ahead of me. Let's see here. What are you carrying? A fishing pole? And your Canada Dry? And what am I carrying? What am I carrying?
2 chairs, 2 fishing.
2 chairs. I'm carrying 2 chairs, 2 fishing poles, 2 tackle bags.
And your phone.
Walking away from the pond,
I'm gonna poke you in the face.
going to the truck.
As Coach Cal took on this fishing pole.
So I just took off on the golf cart.
Because you're done fishing beside me.
Si, what are you doing, little boy? Little boy?